Hi guys, good morning. Literally just woke up. Sorry about the extremely puffy face. So I thought today I'll do a daily vlog. It won't be interesting. It could get mundane. It depends. You'll see. If I upload this, then you'll know something happened in it. That is why I uploaded it. So I just wanted to take you through the day and see how I do the mundane activities. But yeah, I have one or two things lined up today, so I hope it won't be as boring as I'm expecting it to be. But yeah, so I wanted this to be as real as possible so that you could relate to me. And also thank you so much for the amazing reactions to my first video. It was really heartwarming. One thing that I am really confident about is you'll be able to relate to my vlogs. Yeah, because ऐसे ही normally हूँ, कुछ fancy YouTuber तो हूँ नहीं, but just always wanted to share my life with you. So this is just my attempt at doing vlogs. If you like it, don't forget to drop a comment, like this video, and please subscribe. Okay, so the first thing that I do in the morning after freshening up is having either warm water or green tea or coffee or chai, whatever. Usually I prefer to have green tea because ऐसा ही लग रहा है कि पानी पी रहे हो, थोड़ा सा टेस्ट भी आता है उसमें. हालांकि वो टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं होता, बट या दिल को तसल्ली दे रही हूँ. हेल्दी स्टार्ट टू द डे, इफ यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. सो या लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो आई एम इन माई किचन राइट नाउ और अभी मैं पानी गर्म करके उसमें ग्रीन टी का बैग डालने वाली हूँ, विच वॉट मेकिंग ग्रीन टी एसेंशियली इज. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. हाय, तो मैंने गर्म पानी चढ़ा दिया है. I've taken out my mug. Now I'm going to take some green tea. So right now I'm using this one. It's called the Lipton green tea. अभी पता नहीं कौन सा अच्छा है कौन सा नहीं. बाजार में मुझे ये मिला, so I got it. So I'll take one sachet of it. इसको खोलूंगी and I'll put the tea bag in my cup. खोल लिया, अब इसको डालने वाले हैं. ओके, सो अभी पानी जो है वो गर्म हो चुका है. सो आई जस्ट पुट द वाटर इन माई कप विच ऑलरेडी हैज़ द टी बैग. और हाँ, मैं कुछ कह रही थी. सो माई स्लीप साइकिल इज रियली वियर्ड एंड आई हैव अ रियली लाइक I wake up at the tiniest of noises. तो my parents are in Calcutta right now. तो और मैं अकेली बच्ची हूँ. सो बीइंग द सिंगल चाइल्ड है एक्सट्रीमली प्रोटेक्टिव ऑफ मी. और या सो दे थिंक दैट दे स्टिल शुड कॉल एन अडल्ट एंड वेक हर अप एवरी मॉर्निंग, क्योंकि बच्ची अकेले से नहीं उठ सकती. सो नो मैटर हाउ मेनी अलार्म्स यू पुट, माय मम वुडंट बिलीव इट. शी वुड कॉल मी इन द मॉर्निंग. Yeah, and Amphan is this devastating cyclone that ravaged through my city, Calcutta. And yeah, so as a result of it, कोई electricity नहीं था घर पे, कोई पानी नहीं था. There was no way my mom would remember कि दिन क्या है रात क्या है. अब जाके कल रात को after I think दो दिन के बाद घर पे electricity आया है. और still the first thing that my mom does in the morning is to call me on a Saturday. So मैं मम्मी को बोलती हूँ कि मम्मी सैटरडे वीकेंड्स पे कॉल मत किया करो, जल्दी सोने दो. But of course she must have forgotten it and she called. It's a Saturday by the way, and she called me. Or considering my sleep is extremely thin, तो बहुत जल्दी नींद खुल गई. तो yeah, and then she realized it, so she hung up. But मेरी तो नींद खुली है. So now all my flatmates are sleeping and I'm up drinking green tea. करते करते my green tea is ready and I'll drink this and I'll talk to you when something happens in my day. Hi, so it's breakfast time and I have some really yummy bread poha with me. Full disclaimer, I haven't made it. Our house help has started coming. She cooks, she cleans, she does the shit, and she's a boss lady. Her name is Amina Didi. So yeah, so she made some very yummy breakfast today and उससे भी बहुत यमी डिनर लंच बनने वाला है. लंच में हम लोग खा रहे हैं बटर चिकन एंड आई विल बी शेयरिंग द रेसिपी विथ यू. मैंने उनको बोला है कि आप जब बनाओ मुझे बुला लेना. सो या you'll get to see her and you'll get to see the recipe. चलो अभी के लिए इतना ही. अभी खाने दो मुझे और रेसिपी के टाइम पे मिलते हैं. बाय गाइस. थोड़ा एस्टिमेशन का प्रॉब्लम हो गया. दीदी हैज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड कुकिंग, सो शी विल जस्ट टेल यू व्हाट ऑल शी हैज ऑलरेडी डन. उसके बाद से विल कैच अप. ओके, दिस इज अमीना दीदी. शी इज मेकिंग बटर चिकन. एंड अभी तक क्या क्या कर दिया दीदी, आप एक बार बता दो प्लीज.
देखो ये चिकन है 2 किलो. इसको मैरिनेट करके रखा है.
कितना टाइम किया दीदी?
हाफ एन आवर.
हाफ एन आवर. ठीक है.
इसको ये दही, कर्ड, अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट, नमक सब डाल के हाफ एन आवर मैरिनेट कर दिया.
अच्छा.
इसको आके मसाला ये इसके लिए 4 प्याज, 3-4 टमाटर, अदरक लहसुन, लाल मिर्च, सूखी लाल मिर्च डाल के, धनिया पत्ता डाल के इसको पहले तेल डाल के थोड़ा सा फ्राई कर लिया.
अच्छा.
फ्राई करने के बाद इसको मसाला, काजू डाला.
अच्छा.
फिर नमक डाला, थोड़ा सा धनिया पत्ता, तो इसको पीस लिया. ये मसाला हो गया.
ये कब से पक रहा है?
ये एक 5 मिनट से पक रहा है.
अच्छा.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
और ये होएगा, सिम में रखा है इसको. थोड़ा ये चिकन अच्छे से फ्राई हो गया था, पानी वानी छोड़ दिया है.
अभी क्या हो रहा है दीदी?
अभी क्या बोलना, ये चिकन ड्राई हो गया, अच्छे से फ्राई कर लिया. ठीक है. इसमें आके वो जो डाला था ना मसाला, फिर इसमें मैंने केचप ऐड किया है थोड़ा सा.
अच्छा.
फिर क्रीम ऐड किया है. फिर कस्तूरी मेथी भून के डाला है. इतना ही. अभी चिकन मिला रही हूँ.
अच्छा. अभी कितना टाइम पकेगा ये?
10 मिनट्स.
10 मिनट.
मसाला उसमें जम जाएगा.
हाँ.
फिर आपको कितना चाहिए ग्रेवी, उस हिसाब से पानी मिला लो. फिनिश.
Butter chicken is done and now we are putting on some cream on it. एकदम ढाबा स्टाइल बटर चिकन बन चुका है. As you can see, I'm all dressed up. I think I've dressed up a little too much than I should for what I'm going out. But I haven't gotten a chance to dress up in 2 months, so I guess it's legit. Chalta hai, right? So I'm going somewhere special to get something special. And I'll take you along with me. And hopefully it'll be fun and content enough. So yeah, let's go. Another thing I just realized, ये जो इतना तामझाम किया है मैंने, कुछ तो दिखेगा ही नहीं बिकॉज मास्क पहनना पड़ेगा. तो लिपस्टिक पहनूं ना पहनूं कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बट इवन देन मन की संतुष्टि के लिए ये तो करना ही पड़ेगा, राइट? What is this one?
Red alert.
Red alert. Okay.
Fine.
Why is it so frothy?
Yeah. The taste also like frothy on this. Very good.
Yeah? Okay.
Now which is like sweet beer, it's rich.
Okay.
It's only 4% alcohol.
Uh-huh.
My favorite.
Okay. Hi guys, so I just finished taking my beer from Crosbury and it was absolutely hassle-free, had no problems whatsoever. The bartenders were wearing a mask, they had their gloves in their hands and they provided bottles which they're giving it for free. So, and you have 7 different kinds of beers on tap available. So yeah, just wanted to give in this information. and I'll see you later. ये है लॉकडाउन का रास्ता. So many cars on the road, so many bikes on the road. Good morning, guys. So it's day 2. I know I said that I'm gonna post a vlog for a day, but clearly I could not post a lot of material last night. So I thought I'll make this a weekend vlog. Hope that works. So it's Sunday and I'm sitting in my balcony with my green tea, and so there's not going to be much today, but I think if we combine 2 days it will be reasonable. The reason why I thought I'll do a sit down session right now is I'm sorry, I'm very finicky about my hair, so I might as well go on doing it and you'll see way more of it, so just learn to ignore it. Okay, yeah. What I wanted to talk about is the situation that is happening in Calcutta right now. Actually, not just Calcutta. It's the Sundarbans, parts of Orissa as well. So, we faced one of the worst tragedies in a long, long time. A devastating cyclone ravaged our city, and our city is in shambles right now. My family, we are not rich, but we have a roof over our head and we are very thankful, but we did not have electricity, we did not have running water for over 48 hours, and there was no way I could communicate with my family or know that they were safe and sound. So I faced a lot of anxious time these past 2 days till I finally spoke to my mom. But like I said, we are the privileged ones. There's so many people who do not even have a roof over their head, food to eat, drinking water, sanitation, nothing. So please donate. We really need your help. Any help is welcome. It does not matter how much money you give. It could be 100 rupees, it could be 10 rupees, anything in your capacity. Okay, now that we have talked about the important things, I'll take you through the day. And yeah, happy Sunday. So what I'm doing right now is I skipped breakfast, obviously, because Sunday है, कौन ही breakfast बनाएगा और अमीना दीदी भी नहीं आती. So I'm heating up some of the butter chicken and chawal. Okay, so like I said, I was heating my lunch up and it's here. And I'm gonna watch some show on Netflix and eat and get back to you when I'm done. Girl took a shower, so finally नहा धो लिया. अभी I'll just wait for my hair to dry, style it, because otherwise fringes will look very weird. So I have to style it, and then I have some dinner coming from this place called Rolls and Bowls. It's a Bangalore-based eatery, and I'll show you the spread. So straightening is done. Another thing which I wanted to really discuss was my skincare journey and my hair. So for those of you who know me for some time, know that I have had straightened my hair in the past, like permanent straightening, and that has ruined my hair. So whatever you see now is a much better state, and this is only because I actually sat up and took care of my hair. I use these homemade DIY packs which are really helpful, and if you want I could share it whenever I vlog next. And about my skin, like you can see there are marks here and here as well. So this is a much better state that you see. At least 3 weeks back my face was in a different state altogether. Like the texture was rough, I was breaking out everywhere. One thing that I can vouch for saved my ass when it comes to my skincare is aloe vera gel. I don't know why I didn't use it before, but बोलते हैं ना देर है दुरुस्त है. So बाल हो गए, skin में कुछ करना नहीं है. I've just put a little bit of aloe vera gel and some lip balm and I think I'm good. घर पे तो कौन देखेगा. And now I'm gonna have some fruits because I'll surprise my stomach once in a while. I'm not having junk, I'm not having masaledar khana, I'm having fruits. Just going till the gate to collect my order. So this company called Bowls and Rolls has sent over some food. And yeah, I'll just go collect it and show you what it is. So this is the spread. There's some chili chicken. There's some Kolkata style Hakka noodles. There is a jumbo roll. And something I'm most excited about is this chicken Mughlai parota. Hey, so I'm gonna end the vlog with a nighttime routine that I do. So it's usually washing my face with some face wash, moist, and once it dries, I put some moisturizer and that's about it. Today my skin feels a little weird, so I think I'm gonna do a little differently. So I'm gonna use this. It's the Everyuth Naturals Anti-Acne Face Wash. I'm gonna wash my face, and I'm going to use one of Nykaa's sheet masks and just let the serum be. Sleep through the night, and I can guarantee you'll see a change the next morning. Hey guys, good morning. Just wanted to apologize for not being able to finish the vlog last night. So I wore the mask and then I took it off, dabbed my face with my fingers, and I slept. And once again reiterate the fact that it would be really helpful if you could contribute to the below aforementioned any of the funds, because Bengal needs it right now.